Many English language learners want to become more comfortable with the word might. They want to understand it better and they want to be able to use it. In this exercise, we are going to practice how to do it. So the word might can be replaced with these words. It's possible that, then it's followed by somebody or something. Will is also replaced. And then do something. So it's followed by a verb. So it's possible that somebody or something will do something. So the word might can be replaced with everything that is in yellow right here. It's possible that plus will can all be replaced by just one word might. And then we have somebody or something before might, and then might is followed by a verb as well. Whatever goes after will is transferred. Let's see if we can use the same strategy for this example and use the word might to talk about the same thing. Ready? Let's see. It's possible that we are going to drop this part. They is somebody, so we are going to transfer the word they. Okay, they. I'm going to put this in the box, right? We're going to keep it. They might will help you. So we are going, help is the verb. Help is the verb. So we are going to transfer the word help because it's the verb and everything that goes after the verb. We are going to use they might. We're going to say they might plus the verb help. We are going to add help and then you. It's possible that they will help you is going to be replaced by they might help you. It's the same thing. Which one do you like better? Next, it's possible that I will be late. So we are going to keep I's somebody. We're going to drop it's possible that. Drop will. We're going to drop will. And after might, what goes after will goes after might. The verb be, might be, and what goes after the verb? The word late. So it's possible that I will be late can be replaced by I might be late. Which version do you like better? The short one or the long one? Next, it's possible that Mike is going to be transferred to the next sentence. Mike is somebody, right? We are going to drop will and we are going to keep the verb work and everything that goes after work. Mike might work here. So instead of saying it's possible that Mike will work here, we can also say what? What are we going to say? We're going to say Mike might work here. Mike might work here. It's the same idea, just different words. Which one is easier for you? Next, it's possible that it will rain tomorrow. It will transfer it. Plus, we are going to add what? A verb plus everything that goes after verb. Now you can try and put it together for me. What is the whole sentence going to sound like? Instead of it's possible that it will rain tomorrow, what can you say? Now you can practice and tell me in the comments. Thank you. Oh, by the way, if you'd like to get on my email list plus a free PDF on prepositions, see the link in my bio. Thank you for watching.